The Cambridge Legal Walk is one of many in the UK. Supported by the Access to Justice Foundation, this event sees law firms and charities from across the country take part in a 10-kilometre walk to help fund free legal advice.
The Access to Justice Foundation we established in 2008, and we raise money for charities across the UK that offer free legal advice to those who can't afford legal help.
According to the foundation, only 1 in 3 people gain access to legal advice when they could need it, which is why they feel it is important to offer this free advice.
It could be anything from somebody who's been dismissed unfairly in the workplace to somebody who's about to be evicted, or the landlord is not doing the repairs on the house. It's just getting that first initial advice, which is most needed to help people with these problems, and it's mainly vulnerable people in the community as well who just cannot afford to pay for legal advice, and that's where these charities come in hand to help them overcome their problems.
And all of the money raised from the Cambridge Walk is donated through the Eastern Legal Support Trust, who then distribute it to charities and firms across the east of England to help vulnerable members of the community.
Well, we've given donations to various organisations assisting people with disabilities, people who have come to this area from abroad who have difficulties with the language, and that obviously restricts their access to legal advice. The Citizens Advice Bureau has had money from us for general advice to people, and organisations of that nature. There are quite a lot out there in the Eastern region who are giving time to people and helping them through these difficult issues.
And one of the organisations that benefits from the trust is the Cambridge Citizens Advice Bureau, a charity run by volunteers that offer free legal advice to everybody in Cambridge.
Every bureau is a separate charity. There is a national citizens advice that people will be aware of, and that's really important to us. It gives us guidance and training, etc. But each bureau is a separate charity, and it's really important for every bureau to raise money so that we can help those in need in the Cambridge area.
The 10k route started at Fenner's Chambers and went past King's College and the River Cam before finishing at the Castle Inn. This is Katura Sestine for That's TV.